Hey guys! Wow, another plant nursery, another adventure. And I will not let the rain stop me from checking out this place. So I just spoke to the owner and nobody's working because of the rain. But here we are, and I'm really excited to see if there's anything that I don't have in my collection. We'll see. Definitely cool to go ahead and check out the local nurseries, and kind of interested to see if they have anything. So that was kind of interesting. I guess just not used to seeing people roll up by themselves in the rain to a plant shop. So we'll go ahead and check it out.
Anyway, my daughter's kind of taken over all of our California natives. So there's this whole section here and this section right here.
Is this an oxalis?
Uh-huh. A type of one.
Whoa, I've never seen one like this before.
Yeah, then she has another one up here.
Cute. I mean, I collect a lot of different things. But I've never seen them like this before. Usually a little bit bigger and brighter green.
I like the real dark purple ones.
Yeah. I just got the little mini sunset ones the other day. It's like I collect them all.
Yeah, fun. She does have over in her succulent house, she has a bunch of euphorbiums over there.
Okay, I'm going to check it out.
Okay.
I've never been out here before. It's my first time.
Okay, well, we've been here for 29 years. We're just a small family business, and we grow about 60 to 70% of what we sell.
Okay, that's cool.
And we just do plants.
Wow. The succulent section. Oh my goodness, you guys. Anything interesting that I don't have? Cool. Wow. $7.49. Oh, now these guys I got cuttings from in the Bay Area, and this is the first time I've actually seen them for sale. But like, look at these small planters. Oh my goodness. Definitely cool to see. Cute. Looks like some kind of little sedum. Wow. Very cool. Now these guys I love seeing at nurseries. Love me some Epiphyllums, Ripsalis. These are my favorites, and I love how they have the chart here. Very cool. I love seeing them. Definitely very fun. This is a good one right here. Maybe I might get him. This is a really nice one. Look at that. That's a good one. I collect these guys. I love them all. I don't get bored of them. That's for sure. This is a good one too. Maybe I'll get one as a souvenir. I don't know. To me, guys, this is the best looking one here. He's really cool. Ow, I just got pricked. I always get pricked. There's one. Kind of like this guy though. Hard to make a decision. This one is good too. Okay. I always always get stuck in this section. It doesn't matter where I'm at. Love them. Ooh, this one is a good one too. Quite interesting. Look at that. Okay. Trying to pick the best one. I don't know, guys. I think... Oh, this one is interesting too. I don't know. I'm thinking... I think this is the best one. This could be the best looking one. Might get him. It's pretty cool. Some bigger pieces. I don't know, guys. I'm kind of loving this one. Out of all of them. And I know I have a bunch of these guys. Or at least this type of plants. The Epiphyllums. I love them. Take you guys through this section just so you can see what it looks like. Going on in here? Some begonias. Wow. So pink. The Christmas cactus. Oh, this one is a really nice one. I don't know. I think you're coming home with me. Interesting. Oh, I see something here. Alright guys, it's pouring rain. I have Ebby in the car with the windows down so she doesn't get super wet. Wow. Look at this. I'm in some greenhouse here. It's really cool. Not too sure if any of these are for sale, but there's a lot happening here. I think this is the same plant that I'm looking at right here. This might be the same plant that I'm looking at. Maybe I should get one of these in here instead. Tough one. Maybe I might get this one. I don't know. Which one should I get? I still think maybe I should get this one. Still think I should get you. What's going on over here? For a quick second, I thought I was going to put you back. Wow. Wow. Take a look at this. Very cool. Oh my goodness, you guys. Some Sansevierias. Oh my goodness. What is this? Don't have you? Not in the best condition. And no price. Oh my goodness. Can I find a better one? Ooh, look at this, guys. Look at all the babies. I mean, not in the greatest condition, but there's so many babies. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Don't know the price. There's no price. Wow, look at all the babies in this one. Okay, the Sansevierias are not priced, but there's tons of babies. Look at this. It is so heavy, I can't even lift it up. Look at that. It's crazy. This definitely needs to be transplanted. But no price. No prices on the Sansevierias. There's more. But none of them have prices. That's unfortunate. I don't know the price. I'm gonna have to ask. Look at that. You're still coming home with me. This one has a few babies. But this guy, I don't know, not doing that great. If he was in better condition, I would totally take him. I just don't know the price either. Okay. Moving along. Wow, this place is huge. What a big nursery. Very cool. All the way out in Goleta. Wow, look at all the nursery planters stacked up. Wow, that is a lot of nursery planters. Take a look at that. Crazy. More greenhouses. Wow, very cool. So if you guys enjoyed this, come with me. I'm getting rained on. I'm all the way out about 120 miles north from home, and I'm adventuring for the weekend. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Hit the bell and subscribe button to be notified on my daily uploads. Until next time, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Aloha from Goleta, California. Bye.